Hey friends, how are you all doing? Welcome to this video today. I want to talk to you about woodworking. It's something that's really cool. People sometimes have it as their jobs, people sometimes do it as a hobby, but woodworking is something that always fascinates me because it's incredible. What you can build or what you can sculpt out of wood, and I do know that sometimes many people want to start doing something by themselves, like creating a kid's playhouse or a dog house, and they have absolutely no experience. Believe me, I tried that in the past, and I couldn't even get a dog's house to work properly. So I'm here to talk to you about the Teds Woodworking, which is a guide that has over 16,000 plans and guides and designs to help you out. So if you are looking to maybe change your jobs and start working with wood, or if you're looking to enhance your hobbies and create new and cool things, or maybe things that you cannot find in retail, I think this is one of the best guides because it gives you all the infos you need. So I do want to give you a little bit more infos about the Teds Woodworking today, so just stay in this video because there are quite a few things you have to know about it. Okay, but first of all, yes, I did leave their official webpage in the description box of this video, so if you would like to purchase this book, that's where you go. They have some fantastic prices going on at the moment, so don't miss out on that. But, guys, the cool thing about Teds Woodworking is that this is a guy that is for everyone, alright? It doesn't matter if you're advanced at woodworking or if you have absolutely no skills at all, like me. Like my doghouse wasn't even able to stand up straight, it was crooked. Anywho, guys, Teds Woodworking is cool because it gives you all the details that you need about a project. So for example, let's say you are going to build your kids a playhouse. It gives you the tools you're going to be using, how many nails, the type of nails, what wood is better, is most recommended, the cut of the wood, the size, everything. So if you have no skills at all, you can totally be building stuff from scratch by using wood. And the cool thing about Teds Woodworking is that it's for anyone who is anyone. You just gotta have that spare time. You just gotta have that willingness, that hobby, and start creating projects. I mean, people are even building houses using Teds Woodworking, and what I find great, see why our plans are 10 times better than all mass market plans. Feature number 1, step-by-step instructions. You get detailed projects with step-by-step, A to Z instructions that makes building projects super fast, super easy, and super fun. With the simple, hold-you-by-the-hand instructions, you can complete woodworking projects in the small fraction of the time it currently takes you. It's like having a master woodworker by your side, guiding you through the entire project. Feature number 2, cutting and materials lists. You get exact cutting and materials list for every project. You will be able to buy exact amounts, which means you'll stop wasting your hard-earned cash on wrong wood, wrong materials, or the wrong quantity. It saves time and cuts down waste. It saves money. You'll spend more time building, less time fretting. Feature number 3, detailed schematics. With sharp and colorful schematics included in each plan, there's simply no guesswork involved. The level of details makes the most challenging project a walk in the park. When instructions are this clear, your project builds itself. All the pieces just click into place. You'll complete projects in a fraction of the time it usually takes you. Feature number 4, multiple views from all angles. You get to see exactly how everything should look before you build them. Most plans don't include this and simply assume. You'll end up building something that doesn't look like the drawing. You get intricate details of every angle, every corner, every joint. The plans will never leave you guessing or scratching your head over any detail. Business in woodworking, or if you just want to use it for a hobby, it can be used for either one of those things. So pop over to their official webpage to learn more about Teds Woodworking, and I know you're not going to regret it. Okay, thanks for watching. Guys, hope I have helped you out. Hope you have enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.